I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by turning on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your Mac and iPhone so Airdrop can establish a peer-to-peer connection. Make sure you're signed into the same Apple ID for seamless transfers, or temporarily set Airdrop visibility to everyone if sharing with another device. This reduces permission errors. Place the devices within about 30 feet and unlock the iPhone so it can be discovered. Once done, open Finder on the Mac to the file you want to send and get ready to initiate the transfer. On the Mac, locate the file in Finder, right-click or use the Share button and choose Airdrop. This prompts discovery. Wait a few seconds for the iPhone icon to appear in the Airdrop window. If it doesn't, toggle Bluetooth briefly to force rescan. Click the iPhone icon to send. The Mac shows a progress indicator while establishing an encrypted link. On the iPhone, you'll see an accept prompt. Tap Accept and choose where to save the incoming file, because this determines how you'll access it afterward. After transfer completes, open the Photos app, Files app, or the receiving app to confirm the item arrived and opened correctly. If the transfer fails, make sure Airdrop visibility is correct. Then toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices and try again. This clears common handshake issues. If problems persist, sign out and back into your Apple ID or restart both devices to reset network subsystems. One key tip: temporarily set Airdrop to everyone for troubleshooting, then revert to contacts only for privacy once done.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.